took a flight for the paddock. Used to be all so dramatic, I guess. Anything you want, boy, forget it. You just make me feel so. I took a chance and you grabbed it. You said don't worry, I got.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. My name is Kelsey Ray and today we are doing a wash day to prepare for a protective style. Now my hair just came out of a protective style and that's why it looks so crazy. My hair is literally shedding due to having it in a protective style. So this wash day will for sure be interesting because I'm already losing hair. Like I don't even got to do nothing but pull it and it's coming out. So yes, let's get started, y'all. I am starting off by wetting my hair. That is literally how I start off all my wash days. No matter what I'm prepping for, I have to soak my hair. I literally feel like I have maybe a low porosity hair to where the water just does not absorb fast. It literally just drips off of my hair. So I have to literally go in and soak my hair as much as I can. Then I'm going in with my Miche detoxing shampoo. Y'all, this is a clarifying shampoo and I cannot put it down. I love this shampoo so much and I think I really love it because of the nozzle. That nozzle feel good on my scalp. Like I wish all shampoos had that nozzle because that feels amazing. And I low-key will go through and scratch my head with it. But I applied the shampoo all over my hair, but just focusing it on the roots only, just to start the cleaning process of my hair. And I'm holding the hair on the end so it won't get tangled up or start to mat up on each other. Then I'm going in to rinse this out, y'all. This shampoo literally makes me feel like I'm truly resetting my hair and I just love it. And once again, more hair coming out. Dog, when you wash your hair after a protective style, be prepared. So next, I'm going in with the Aussie shampoo, the repair shampoo, the conditioner, and the shampoo. And y'all, this is my favorite smell from Aussie. If you don't try any flavor from them, try this flavor. It smells so good and it lasts on your hair. So when I took down this protective style, my hair literally still smelled like that shampoo. When I say tea, and it's cheap, y'all. It's not expensive. Then I'm going into detangle because I haven't detangled my hair in a long time. And so I have to detangle before I go in with more shampoo, more deep conditioners. I gotta do this step or else the products won't even penetrate. So I'm going through my hair to make sure I am detangling it from roots to ends because I need my hair to saturate and suck up all of the product. And of course, more hair shedding. This is how much I had left after fully detangling my hair, and that looks like a lot. But truly, your hair sheds a lot when it's in protective style. So that's neither here nor there. And then I'm going in to rinse this hair off, y'all. My hair honestly started to feel a whole lot better after this. Like, I was already feeling like, wow, she's coming back. I feel her, and I love that so much. I feel like wash days feel like self-care to me for some reason. So then I'm going in with shampoo because I only shampooed my roots at first, but now I want to go through and fully shampoo roots to ends. So that's why I'm doing it in this order. You do not have to wash your hair in this order. I just wanted to make sure my hair was super duper clean and my scalp was super duper clean for my next protective style. So my birthday is coming up, y'all, and I'm going to get another protective style. I do not recommend getting protective styles back to back, but I got to do it for the one time because it's my birthday. It's my 30th birthday. So comment down below what hairstyle y'all think I'm getting. It is a protective style and I am going on a tropical trip. So let me know in the comments what y'all think. But now I'm rinsing out this shampoo, and when I tell you the lather on that Aussie, be lathering, baby. I had to fight to the finish to get all this shampoo out of me. It was everywhere, literally. But now I'm going in with a Old Faithful, a black staple, black natural hair staple. If you ever tried this, comment down below and let me know if you've tried this. But it is not expensive and it's from the beauty supply store. My mama was a beautician and she literally used to have products like these in her salon. And so yes, I saw it at the hair store and I said, I gotta get it, y'all. This product is so thick and it coats my hair so extremely well. When I tell y'all, I'm so glad I found this at the beauty supply store, and I'm so glad I gave it another try from years ago because I love this deep conditioner. Even the sizing of this deep conditioner works for my type of hair because I like to use a lot. I like to soak it up, okay? I like to add water and I like to detangle again to make sure the deep conditioner is from roots to ends. I want my hair to absorb it all, okay? And literally, yes, I need some more because I need some more. Yes, heavy handed when it comes down to the deep conditioners because I just want my hair saturated. So after that, I'm going to definitely put it in a bag and let it sit while I take my shower. You can let it sit as long as you want, but when I'm in a shower, I honestly don't be wanting to sit there for too long. 30 minutes is crazy. So now it is finally done, and I'm going to rinse it out, and I literally see my curls truly coming back. Like, I feel like myself again. Like, she's back. Like, hello, the curls are already forming and popping, and my hair looks and feels so refreshed. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I rinsed that out, y'all, and that's pretty much all I did for this wash day. This is once again the amount of hair that came out of this particular wash day. I got my fiber towel to wrap around my head to soak up all the extra water, and we are good to go to the blow drying stage. So I'll holla at y'all later. Thank you so much for watching. Love y'all. Bye.